Check this out.
You turned your Steve into a cat-killing psychopath.
Why are you dressed as Steve?
I hated all your rules and wanted Steve's easy life.
You stop doing that!
What did you do with Steve?
I'm gonna kill him.
You little...
About time. It's 4 o'clock. Where are my 4 o'clock nachos?
Stephen Smith, I am your mother! I will push you back up my clown hole and birth you again and name you my bitch! Now get out of that cage!
Steve Areno!
I'm tired of you bossing me around, Dad.
From here on out, I promise to let you do whatever you want, whenever you want.
Really? I want to kill Steve.
Okay.
Stan!
Right.